Welcome to the inaugural edition of AutonomousCyber 2024. This innovative workshop is part of the 31st ACM Conference on Computer and Communication Security. Autonomous cybersecurity is a field that is revolutionizing the way we protect our digital world. At this event, you will discover cutting-edge advancements in self-improvement and continuous learning systems with predictive capabilities that stay ahead of emerging threats. Whether you are a researcher, professional, or enthusiast, we invite you to submit your original, unpublished, and innovative research papers to this workshop. Don't miss this opportunity to connect, learn, and innovate. Topics include development of autonomous threat detection and mitigation algorithms, intelligent agents and human-machine teaming (HMT) for proactive cyber defense, development of simulators and environments for testing and validating autonomous cybersecurity systems, architectural innovations in autonomous cyber defense, and more. Share your insights and help us advance autonomous cybersecurity to new heights. Accepted papers will be published in the ACM Digital Library, giving your work the recognition it deserves. Here are some important dates that you should remember. The paper submission deadline is July 8th. The author notification will be on August 12th. The camera-ready paper submission August 30th. Join us this October 18th in Salt Lake City, USA. All information and the submission link can be found on our website. AutonomousCyber 2024. Be innovative, be secure.